You've published your book on Kobo Writing Life. Now it's time to let people know. Kobo Writing Life has a promotion tool that can help your book gain visibility. This tool gives you the opportunity to participate in site sales and promotional emails, such as Buy More, Save Mores, daily deals, Kobo Plus features, and more. Firstly, if you don't see the Promotions tab in your dashboard, reach out to our team via the Help Center and we can help set it up for you. We've included the Help Center link in the video description. Some promotions have an upfront cost, like this one, and some have an additional COGS reduction, which means that you give up a percentage of the money you earn during the sale. Our most common percentage fee is 10%. We update the promotional opportunities on a weekly basis, so keep an eye on this tab. When you've found the right promotion for you, click the Get Started button. The description will outline all of the things you need to know about this promotion. Please make sure you read the description carefully. You'll also see the dates for the promo and eligibility rules. Scroll down and pick your book that fits and click the date you'd like. Enter the promo prices in the Set the Price section. Then enter all other required prices. When you've filled out all the details, click Submit. Your submission gets sent to our merchandising team who approve or reject the promotions. If your book is rejected, don't be dismayed. There's a lot of competition for promotions and feature spots can be limited. We encourage you to keep applying. If your book is approved and an upfront payment is required, a payment link will be included in the email. Click the link to pay. When the promotion begins, you'll get an email letting you know all the details. Be sure to let your readers know. Thanks for watching this video. If you have any questions, reach out to our team via the Help Center. You can find the link in the video description. Happy writing!